What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of DADLIFE. That was obnoxious, I know. So this is a quick little snippet of the new wheels for the Mistress, the C5 Corvette. Let's jump into it. Alright guys, so the wheels in question are actually OEM Corvette C6 Grand Sport wheels. I wanted to keep something similar in terms of like an OEM plus feel to the car. Plus, it's also more affordable to find a deal on used wheels and tires. So what I ended up doing was searching Facebook marketplaces and Craigslist. And what I ended up finding was a set listed for $500. The tires are the stock sized Goodyear run flats, about 2 years old, so they do have some tread left. The rears could be replaced, but realistically I'm going to replace them anyway. I ended up scoring them for, get this, $450. Wheels and tires that have good tread, they're run flats. I'm only putting maybe 200 to 2,500 miles on the Corvette a year, probably not even that, you know, with the kids and all. So the cool thing is I got some life in them, but I'll probably end up switching to non-run flats, like maybe some Coopers, but still the stock sizes. Do they poke? Yes, they do stick out or poke out of the stock fenders. However, there is a plan. I am going to do the rear wide body quarter panels down the line, not yet. But in terms of the front poke, I'm going to adapt C7 Z06 or Grand Sport. The wheel arch is also known as the fender spats. I already have them. One of them came off a car that was test fit on. A few C5 guys have done it successfully. It's a lot of dremeling work and measuring, so I'll be sure to document that. Size-wise, they're 18 by 9.5 in the front, offset 40. And the rears are 19 by 12, offset 59, if I'm not mistaken. I could check those facts. Tire sizes are stock 275s in the front and a wide tire 325s in the rear. So I just wanted to do a quick video showcasing the new wheels. I'm so excited. I've been wanting Grand Sport wheels for many years. I finally grabbed a set, and the best part about it is for a future mod, the Grand Sport wheels, since they're meant for a C6 Grand Sport with C6 Grand Sport brake calipers or Z06 brakes, these wheels will allow me to then upgrade to the stock Z and Grand Sport C6 brakes and calipers. Big brakes are coming, not anytime soon, but down the line. So again, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I just wanted to tell you some facts about the new wheels. They are sick. I hope you like them. Drop a comment. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe to the channel. And once again, DADLIFE.